Couple guys in first class on a flight from New York to Los Angeles, kinda making small talk, killing time, flirting with the flight attendants. 30,000 feet above, could be Oklahoma. Just a bunch of square cornfields and wheat farms, man, it all looks the same. Miles and miles of back roads and highways connecting little towns with funny names. Who'd wanna live down there in the middle of nowhere? They've never drove through Indiana, met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted his ass for you and me. You're called a harvest moon in Kansas, and they'd understand why God made those flyover states. I bet that mile-long Santa Fe freight train engineer seen it all, just like that flatbed cowboy stacking U.S. steel on a 3-day haul. Roads and rails under their feet, yeah, that sounds like a first-class seat on the plains of Oklahoma, with a windshield sunset in your eyes, like a watercolor painted sky. You think heaven's doors have opened, you'll understand why God made those flyover states. Take a ride across the Badlands, feel that freedom on your face, breathe in all that open space, and meet a girl from Amarillo. You'll understand why God made it. You might even want to plant your stakes in those flyover states.
Shaking up a game, and if we lose a hand, I bet I'll know just who's to blame. But if we hit 21, if we make that call, I bet I sit here in my chair just feeling 10 feet tall. And we're caught up in the riffraff, circling around the sun. It takes a whole lot of blood and tears just to really love someone. But when it comes back around, that's heaven on earth. You never know till the end, my friend, what your love is really worth. Are you cracking jokes with the common folks? Are you serving to the well-to-do? I've traveled around and I ain't found nobody quite like you. And is all this living meant to be, or a happy accident? Well, in my heart you pay no rent. Well, in my heart you pay no rent. I hear the crackle of a campfire, you're howling at the moon. We all know that you gotta go, but does it have to be so soon? Bet somebody's yelling last call I hope you get some rest. Hope you found everything that you wanted in the place you love the best. Are you cracking jokes with the common folks? Are you serving to the world to do? Well, I've traveled around and I ain't found nobody quite like you. And is all this living meant to be, or a happy accident? Well, in my heart you pay no rent. Well, in my heart you pay no rent. Now we're shaking up the dominoes beneath the neon light, knowing anybody else out there couldn't put up a better fight. But the fighting time's over, yeah, it's all gone. You pick up the pieces and we try to carry on. Are you cracking jokes with the common folks? Are you serving to the world to do? Well, I've traveled around and I ain't found nobody quite like you. And is all this living meant to be, or a happy accident? Well, in my heart you paid no rent. Don't cost you nothing, not a single cent. Time together was time well spent. In my heart you pay no rent. In my heart you pay no rent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You making it so easy, walking out that door. Packed all your things, said you going home. So what I do now? What did a girl text my phone? What I do now? Did I stay out way too long? I guess I never know. 'Cause you're gone and I'm here. So I'ma drink myself blind. Another Saturday night in these pines. I'm gonna dance and sing till you out of my mind. Until you out of my mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Until you out of my mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your mama called as soon as you left, girl. Said you eat someone else, yeah. Said he's got light eyes, huge home. So what you do now, boy? Did a girl text your phone? What you do now? Did you stay out way too long? I guess you never know. She's gone, you're there. So I'ma drink myself blind. Another Saturday night in these pines. I'm gonna dance and sing till you out of my mind. Until you out of my mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Until you out of my mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's been 6 months, 3 nights, 10 minutes, 7 seconds. I still